Like, being a linebacker, it's kind of your role to be a leader of the defense. So, I'm trying to just step up and relish in that role, and at the same time, continue to make plays and just try to be better than what I was last year, man, to help this team out.
Can you put a stamp on? Is there a Spoon stamp you put on it though?
I mean, I just try to put my personality on it.
Right.
I won't say I stamped it, but I'm working toward it. So, just trying to keep working so I can go ahead and officially become, the leader.
Officially? Who dons you that?
I think Mike Peter kind of let me know.
Okay. He will let you know, or he has let you know?
We're getting there. We're getting there. Still work to be done, but we're getting there.
Mike, just talk about, Spoon, just talk about putting on the pads today, first time actually getting a little contact out there. Just talk about how that feels and getting back used to playing football again.
Well, it definitely, a lot of guys were really anxious to put them on today, and when you came in the locker room, you could kind of sense it. And we kind of got a break this morning, and everybody just really excited, man. You could just sense the tempo. It was fun to put them on, get some hits a little bit, man. It's something that we definitely look forward to.
Kind of felt like the first time in Pee Wee putting the pads on uniform on.
Yeah, man. That's how it feels always for me, man. That first day of pads is always like that.
Does your role change at all from last year's system to this year's system?
Definitely.
Okay,
I'm moving around a lot more.
Okay.
Playing in the middle, playing on the outside. Doing a lot more things off the edge as well. So it's definitely a difference. But at the same time, it's all about just going out there and thinking the game and just trying to be efficient in whatever role I'm in.
You see more blitzes and things like that. Is that what you're saying? Or?
Well, I feel like we blitz a little bit more than we have in the past.
Okay.
You can definitely sense that. But everybody's getting a chance to go after the quarterback, and that's what I like about our defense. And we're just continuing to put different things in. And every day it's fun to come out here and play the chess match with the offense.
I'm just curious, how long does it take you to get over last year's playoff loss and then start moving forward?
Oh, we started moving forward once we came back. Right after that game, you got that sour taste in your mouth, but that's what drives me. So in the off season when I was working out, that's all I thought about, because I know we have to get over that hump, but it's a process, and we're just now starting, so we're just trying to keep getting better each and every day so we can get back to that point. And then once we get there, we just got to handle up on our business.
There's a prevailing thought in this town that nothing matters with this team until January. Do you agree with that? Disagree?
I agree. And any athlete should think that, man. If you haven't won a game in the playoffs and your ultimate goal is to what the goal is at the end of the season for everyone. So, if you're not shooting for that, it's nothing, man. Everybody says that we haven't done it yet, so we hear it, so we're really focused and we're just trying to get it done.
What was your off season like? What did you
it was great. It was my first real off season. Last year with the lockout was a little different, so I kind of had some structure. Getting out here with the guys back in April was fun. We've been around each other for a while now and get used to this new system, and it's been fun.
Do you converse with Curtis at all, or
not since he left? We worked out a little bit in the beginning, but I haven't talked to him.